Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The ports are under pressure. Uncollected shipments linked to Hurricane Melissa are posing a challenge. Manufacturers and exporters say it's taking too long for them to clear shipments of raw material. Deidre Thomas reports.
As Jamaica continues to recover from the effects of Hurricane Melissa, a surge of humanitarian relief and commercial shipments intended to support rebuilding efforts is now placing severe strain on the nation's port. President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Catherine Silvera, says that this worsening congestion is already delaying access to raw materials and disrupting distribution across manufacturing, exporting, and retailer sectors.
We have been getting calls from our members, from manufacturers that are trying to clear particularly less than container load shipments from the ports. And they're having challenges because of a backlog coming out of the relief items that were sent after Hurricane Melissa.
Ms. Silvera says while the inflow of supplies reflects a strong diaspora support, the large volume of uncleared cargo is slowing operations.
Manufacturers and businesses, we operate on almost a just-in-time inventory. What that means is, you may allow a window of possibly 2 or 3 weeks in case there's any delays in shipment, delays at the port, and you build that into your inventory. What these delays are causing is that time frame is passing, more than that time frame is passing, and they're unable to clear their goods, which means that that could be a complete shutdown of their operations because they might not be able to access their raw materials, their packaging, any type of element like that. It also can cause additional costs to the business, even though it may not be their fault as to why the shipment has not been stripped.
She's appealing to citizens and donors to collect their shipments promptly and, where possible, work through established channels to help ease congestion.
This is really a call to individuals, businesses, organizations, anyone that knows that someone overseas has shipped them some items, some relief items. We're asking for you to please go urgently to the ports and to access those items. It may be that you're not sure what to do. Jamaica Customs is there to assist. Even, you could perhaps reach out to us at the JMEA to see how best we can maybe point you in the right direction.
In the meantime, the JMEA has engaged port operators, urging faster cargo processing and clearer guidance for importers. Restoring efficient port operations is essential for stabilizing supply chains and supporting Jamaica's post-Hurricane Melissa recovery. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
All categories of fuel will be increased effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will go up by 18 cents and 90 gasoline will go up by 17 cents. Automotive diesel will see $1.18 being added to its price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by 95 cents. Kerosene will see its price also increasing by $3.06. The cost of propane will fall by 25 cents, while butane will go up by 3 cents. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 5,655 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 15 points. The winners include Paramount Trading, Iron Rock Insurance Company, G West Corporation, CAC 2000, and Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares. The losers include Iron Rock Insurance Company, First Rock Real Estate US dollar shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy US dollar shares, Palace Amusement, and 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares. 17 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.38. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.32. The pound is going for $215.48, while the euro is selling for an average $187.80. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.